Diba sumasayo kayo ng kidding your dancing? Ngayon, you are certified burger maker. And you are certified the true dancer. Yeah, so thank you so much. And after the Julia May, last one. Good. Last two. Sino wala pa? Ayan, so after ni Aya Giselle Di Chavez. Ayan, so you are certified burger maker and you are certified a true dancer.
Lagay mo sa bag. Kay Daniel, lagay sa bag.
Ayan, so you are certified burger maker and last, not the least, wala na pala. Joe Cyril Garcia.
Baby, wag mo
You are certified burger maker.
Baby,
Nag-enjoy ka ba sa paggawa ng burger? Nag-enjoy ka. Nag-enjoy ka sa pagsasayaw. Ayan, so